Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be sharing with you a grocery haul. We're trying a different angle today. So we're sitting, you can see some of the food in front of me, so we're just gonna pull and show. This is a pretty large grocery haul. I went to Trader Joe's and Kroger. In total, I think I spent $160. We needed pretty much a re-up on everything. Had friends, family visiting, blah, 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 and we're empty now. So let's get into it. Starting with some protein. I kind of have it somewhat organized and hopefully you can kind of see things a little bit differently. I don't know, we're gonna go for it. So I have the Trader Joe's turkey breast, the smoked and the oven roasted. I just love this. It's such a quick and easy little small protein snack. 4 slices, 60 calories, 11 grams of protein. It's just easy and quick. If I don't want to have a full-on lunch, this is nice to just have this with some veggies and a cheese stick and yeah, I don't know, it's just quick and easy. Speaking of quick and easy, I also decided to try these, which I've never tried before. These are the Trader Joe's turkey burgers. They're frozen. They literally just have, the ingredients are good, the turkey, kosher salt, and rosemary extract. So I thought these would be nice. I also thought Arlo might like them, but I thought these would be nice over a salad, just a really easy protein for lunch. And these are 180 calories and 22 grams of protein. I love turkey. If you can't tell. I got 2 things of eggs, the 2 dozen basically. They were on sale at Kroger, 2 for whatever. I normally get the 18 pack, but I decided to get the 12 pack because they were 2 for $5. I just get the large brown eggs. I like my eggs from Trader Joe's better, the Simple Truth. I enjoyed that brand. And I go with large over jumbo because I still feel like we both use the same amount of eggs, whether they're large or jumbo, so I don't really see the point of, I don't know, I just don't see the huge difference. But anyways, I also got some salmon, which I think we're having this for dinner tonight. This is just Atlantic salmon. I don't know, I don't love their salmon. Tell me where you guys get salmon down below. I just feel like I haven't found the best salmon. I know I don't like Trader Joe's salmon, so yeah. I also got a giant thing of chicken from Kroger. This is just so cheap, and Scott likes to cook it up and have it as protein for lunches and whatnot. So I typically will pick up one of those every other week. So we have that on hand. I got 3 things of ground turkey. I'm gonna be making turkey lettuce cups later this week, but this is just the 93.7, 93% lean, 7% fat. I love ground turkey. It's so versatile. It's just probably one of my favorite things, whether you just throw it in veggies and make a hash out of it or rice, or you throw it on a salad, or make tacos, lettuce, whatever you want to do. It's just so versatile. Stocked up on my sausages from Trader Joe's. These are the chicken sausages. I like these 2 flavors the best because they are the highest in protein that I found. This one is 20 grams of protein per link, and this is the andouille sausage, which is super smoky and so spicy. It's so good. And then the spicy Italian sausage, which again, per link is 17 grams of protein. I just like both of these. We like spicy, but I pretty much pick up one of those, 1 or 2 new flavor or new sausages, not new sausages, packs of sausages, words today, every time I go, because we pretty much eat those at least once a week. They're just really easy. Something I haven't purchased in a while, but I purchased last time I went, are these little pork tenderloins. We really like to put these on the Traeger, our smoking grill. This is just, they're really affordable, and I love pork tenderloin. Last night for dinner, Scott did a teriyaki pork tenderloin over rice with some broccoli, and it was really, really good. But these are just super yum. Anyways, that's it for protein. Let's go on to veg. I got quite a bit of vegetables this week, you guys, because we need to get back on track. We had family visiting and went out to eat for every meal. It was nuts. So let's start with some leafy greens. We got quite a bit of leafy greens because some are for smoothies and juices and some are for salads. So Scott likes just the plain spinach for his juices and smoothies. So we got a big bag of that. This is in no particular order. I'll just pull and go. some mini pearl grape tomatoes. Got some haricot vert green beans, which are my favorite and Scott's favorite green beans. I love green beans. They're probably one of my top vegetables. Decided to just go with broccoli instead of broccolini. I've been really liking it roasted versus pan seared, which is typically what we do with broccolini. So got a big head or 2 crowns of that. Got the power greens from Kroger. This is what I really like to do. This has baby spinach, Mizuna, which I don't know, Mizuna, I don't know what that is, chard and kale, baby kale. I like this in eggs. I like this for salads. Yeah, it's good. It's good stuff. It's one of my favorite mixes. Also got some living lettuce. This is like living butter lettuce. I like to use these for lettuce cups, which I got the ground turkey for, so I'm probably gonna make that sometime this week. Got some green onions because I wanted to do, I thought those would be good with the ground turkey lettuce cups, but also would be really nice with like a salmon bowl, something like that. I just really like green onions. I think they add such a nice fresh flavor, and I don't pick them up as much as I should. Red bell peppers, I eat one of these pretty much every single day, so got those. I decided I wanted to do some like roasted carrots for like rice bowls and stuff, so I decided to pick up this organic carrots medley. I like all the different colors. I don't know, I just think it's fun. But I figure I can kind of coin those or like slice them and kind of saute them with some butter and honey and then throw them in the oven to kind of caramelize them, and I thought they would be real good. Also got some cremini mushrooms. No plans with those, who knows, I just like them, and so does Arlo and Scott. We do. These cocktail cucumbers, we got some of these for Arlo's party and I really liked them, so I thought I would try these. They're just like, I don't know, the skins are easier to eat. They're kind of nice to switch up, but I did get a regular cucumber. I like this in cucumber water, lemon water, plain, whatever. They add a nice crunch if you want to add it to tuna as well. Got some zucchini. This is a staple. I pretty much pick that up every single time I go to the grocery store. Zucchini is just so, like, you can literally throw it in everything. Potatoes, lots of potatoes. I got some sweet potatoes for Arlo, who eats a sweet potato every day. Russet potatoes. I like making potatoes in our air fryer, like french fries. I also thought this would be good to do like a baked potato sort of thing. Be yum, I don't know, thoughts. Maybe like a buffalo chicken baked potato, who knows? With some Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. Just throwing it out there. Got a watermelon. This is just a mini seedless watermelon. Got this for fruit this week, and also got some raspberries. We have a bit of them in, or a pint of these in there right now. Arlo's favorite fruit of all time. Some avocados, waffles. Again, Arlo eats one of these every day. For beverages, we got some fresh apple juice, some vanilla almond milk for my matcha lattes. This coffee I've been loving. This is the small lot from Trader Joe's, the Tanzanite, I don't know, whatever. Got 2 bags of these. We use this for iced coffee. So good. Had to pick these up, the dill chip and a pickle, dill pickle chips from Trader Joe's. I think it's like a seasonal thing, so I had to pick them up. I also have never gotten these from Trader Joe's, but I thought the Arlo would really like these. So these are just the organic mini cheese sandwiches, cracker sandwiches things. They had peanut butter and they had cheese. He likes cheese better, so we decided to pick up the cheese. Oh, also for fruit, I got some bananas. We go through so many, I probably will still need to pick up more. String cheese, I eat one of these like every day, the white string cheeses. I just picked up a cheese. We always have some sort of shredded cheese on hand. This is just the mild cheddar cheese. Arlo likes to eat it. It's easy for him to eat because he can like slurp them up. Good on eggs. I don't know, grilled cheese, whatever for Arlo. These are just super like a staple. I got like 6 things of seaweed because y'all know I'm obsessed with seaweed. This is super good. I've been really liking their simmer sauces, the masala. I've talked about that in a couple of hauls, but this one's really good too. This is their Thai green curry. Now this 1 jar isn't enough. I got 2 jars, but I also like to mix it with a little bit of organic coconut cream. I feel like it just makes more out of the sauce. You can add some more of your own little flavors to it. And I really like the green curry. So I will take like chicken, like a couple chicken breasts, throw them in the crock pot with one of those simmer sauces, and it'll just like cook down the chicken and it'll peel apart and throw it over rice with some veg. It's good to go. This is a new sauce or spice that I've never tried from Trader Joe's. It's the Ajika, I guess, Georgian spice blend. I don't know. It's got spicy, garlicky, deep aromatic flavor and savory, I guess. I don't know. It's got crushed chili peppers, coriander, fenugreek? I don't know what that is. Dried minced garlic, salt, and marigold. I don't know. I thought it'd be cool. I just love picking up new spices from Trader Joe's, and they're super affordable. If you don't get your spices from Trader Joe's, you really need to, because they're just super affordable. Some canned things, I got some refried beans and then some Cuban beans because I made my enchiladas and I needed another can of these. I will link that recipe down below for you guys. It's super quick and easy, and it uses some things from Trader Joe's that are my fave. Got a soap. I use this to wash my beauty blender. It's just the Dr. Bronner soap. You can get it anywhere, but Trader Joe's has it, so that's awesome. I went cray-cray with my tuna today. This is just the no salt added. I normally get light salt, but I decided why not just get no salt? Because I like to add my own salt to it anyways, and yeah, I don't notice a difference if it's there or not there until I add it. But anyways, this is just the Core Tuna. I eat one of these for lunch pretty much daily. I love mixing it with barbecue sauce. Ooh, barbecue sauce would be good too. Buffalo sauce, like hot buffalo sauce, and Greek yogurt. Another staple for my lunch, and the last thing we have in this haul, you guys, is my soups. So this is the organic lentil vegetable soup and the organic split pea soup. I just really think these are awesome. I pair it typically with the sourdough bread that I get from Trader Joe's. We already have a loaf in the fridge, so I didn't pick up another one. Really high in protein. So this has 14 grams of protein, and this has 18 grams of protein per container. So really hearty, really like low calorie, hearty soup with a piece of bread is just really good for me, like a crusty piece of bread. Just an easy, quick lunch option for me throughout the week. So that is everything for my Trader Joe's Kroger haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. You guys seem to really like these, so I keep putting them out. Let me know if there's anything else that you want to see in terms of grocery haul, like different stores or whatnot. I just love Trader Joe's. I really feel the price is so good for what you get. So if you have a Trader Joe's in your area and you have not checked it out, please, please do. And yeah, let me know what some of your favorites are from Trader Joe's. I feel like I always have my staples and I just go to it, and I don't go outside of my simple routine all the time. So let me know what your kind of quick and easy go-tos are for Trader Joe's, and I will see you all in my next video. I now have to load all of this into the fridge, and I didn't clean my fridge up beforehand, but oh well, whatever. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this style. If you did, cool. If not, let me know. I'll change it up. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.